What if I told you there's a way to make money while you sleep? No, it's not a scam. And no, you don't need to quit your job to get started. It's called affiliate marketing, a skill that changed my perspective after just 5 days of intense research. And here's the kicker. I'm doing it right now and showing you exactly how you can too. Wait, before you think, oh, another affiliate marketing guru, let me clarify. This is simple, step by step, and designed for someone who's starting with zero experience. So grab a notebook and let's dive in. Step 1. Understanding affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is simple. You promote a product using a unique link, someone makes a purchase through your link, and you earn a commission. Companies like Amazon, ClickBank, and others pay you to bring customers to their platform. Think of it as being the middleman, but a middleman who gets paid handsomely for connecting the right people. But where do you start? Here's the exciting part. I've got something that makes this easier than ever. Step 2. Choosing the right affiliate program with ChatGPT. For me, the best place to start was Amazon Associates, Amazon's affiliate program. It's beginner-friendly, has millions of products to choose from, and lets you earn commissions on anything someone buys through your link. By the way, I have added some affiliate links in the description below. If you buy anything through those links, whether it's a book, a gadget, or even household items, I'll earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. It's a simple way to support this channel while you shop. Not sure which one suits you best and don't know how to sign up? I've added a ChatGPT prompt in the description to guide you step by step. It will help you choose a program and walk you through the sign-up process. Just copy it and paste in ChatGPT. But even the best affiliate program won't help if you don't pick the right niche. Let's tackle that next. Step 3. Picking a profitable niche. Your niche is where the magic happens. Think of it as your playground. Choose something narrow, something specific. For example, fitness, promote workout gear or protein powders. Tech, gadgets and subscription software. Personal finance, budgeting tools, or online investment platforms. I made the mistake of starting too broad. Don't do that. Focus on one niche where you have either interest or expertise. And guess what? ChatGPT can help you refine your niche too. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to set up your platform. Step 4. Building your platform. You can't just drop affiliate links everywhere. That's spammy. You need a platform where people trust you. Here are your options. 1. Blogging. Great for in-depth reviews and tutorials. 2. YouTube. Create how-to videos or comparisons. 3. Social media. Build quick, engaging content on Instagram or TikTok. If you're camera shy like me, a faceless blog or YouTube channel is your best friend. Once you have your platform, it's time to drive traffic to your link. Step 5. Driving traffic to your links. Traffic is everything. No clicks, no money. Here's how to get started. 1. SEO. Optimize content to rank on Google. 2. Social media marketing. Share valuable posts and subtly include links. 3. Paid ads. Invest in platforms like Facebook or Google to reach a larger audience. Want to know the secret to scaling this into a real income source? Let's talk about scaling your efforts. Step 6. Scaling your earnings. Here's how to grow from $10 to $100 per day. 1. Double down. Identify what's working and replicate it. 2. Email marketing. Build an audience and promote directly. 3. Affiliate networks. Partner with premium programs for higher commissions. Remember, the sooner you start, the bigger your head start. Don't wait, because this space is getting competitive fast. Affiliate marketing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but it's a proven way to earn money online with consistency and effort. To dive deeper into building an online income, check out my next video. 5 life-changing skills everyone should learn in 25. And don't forget, the ChatGPT prompt in the description will guide you step by step into affiliate marketing. It's your shortcut.